Premium freehold detached factory for sale. Bandar Puteri Puchong Utama, Kinrara, Selangor, Malaysia. Asking price, $65 million. Strategic heavy industrial asset in prime Klang Valley growth corridor. An exceptional opportunity to acquire a rare freehold detached industrial facility in the highly sought-after Taman Perindustrian Puchong Utama, Bandar Puteri Puchong, Kinrara industrial belt, strategically positioned within one of Selangor's most mature industrial and logistics corridors. This property is ideal for manufacturing, engineering, heavy machinery, automotive, steel processing, warehousing, logistics hubs, regional HQ, or high-power industrial operations. Property highlights: freehold detached factory with CF obtained, ready for immediate operational takeover. Land area, 145,700 square feet, approximately 3.345 acres. Large industrial footprint with strong future redevelopment potential. Built-up area, 105,912 square feet. Efficiently designed for large-scale manufacturing or logistics operations. Detached factory plus annexed 3-story office, integrated industrial production and corporate office facilities. High ceiling height, 33.6 feet to 37.5 feet. Excellent for racking systems, heavy machinery, or vertical production layout. Power supply, up to 5,000 amps. Rare high-capacity infrastructure suitable for energy-intensive industries. Heavy floor loading, 5-ton meter squared, supports industrial-grade equipment and heavy-duty production. 3 units overhead crane, 5-ton capacity, ideal for steel, engineering, fabrication, and large-scale lifting operations. Rooftop solar panel with NEM 2.0 license, energy-efficient setup that may reduce long-term electricity costs and support ESG initiatives. Air compressor and cooling tower included. Additional industrial utility infrastructure for seamless operational continuity. Prime connectivity and logistics advantage. Strategically connected to major Klang Valley transport arteries, LDP Highway, Quezas Expressway, NKVE, Elite Highway. Fast connectivity to Port Klang, easy access to KLIA, KLIA-2, smooth linkage to Subang Airport. Excellent reach to Klang, Shah Alam, Cyberjaya, Putrajaya, and Kuala Lumpur. Ideal for companies requiring regional distribution efficiency, export logistics, and manufacturing scalability. Additional value-add assets, workers' accommodation or expansion potential. Nearby optional assets available: 5 units terrace houses, 2 units shop offices. Staff hostel, worker accommodation, admin support facilities, rental yield opportunities, expansion ecosystem. Why this factory stands out. Rare freehold heavy industrial detached asset in Puchong. Existing high-power 5,000 amps infrastructure. Crane ready for heavy manufacturing. Solar ready sustainability advantage. Mature industrial neighborhood. Excellent long-term capital appreciation potential. Suitable for MNCs, manufacturers, logistics groups, and investors. Ideal buyers: international manufacturers, China, Singapore, regional industrial investors, heavy engineering companies, automotive, steel fabrication operators, data, high-energy processing users, warehousing and distribution players, owner-occupiers seeking strategic Klang Valley positioning. Asking price, $65 million. A rare institutional-grade freehold industrial asset offering strong infrastructure, strategic location, operational readiness, and long-term investment upside in one of Selangor's strongest industrial corridors. For private viewing, investment discussion, serious buyers are welcome. Please kindly contact Sunny at +6016 218 7571 or email sunnycock2@gmail.com. Owner is welcome to list. Sunny PEA 391, BSc Engineering, UK.